Good morning, children. Welcome back on your GK online classes. Yes, children, in the previous classes, we had completed up to fourth lesson, means up to page number 8. Today we will learn about desert. What is a desert and where they are located. We will also learn about mountain. What are the various top mountains and where they located, as well as we will also learn about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs is the extinct reptiles which is no more exist in our surrounding or in the changes environment. Some important species of dinosaurs we will learn today. So children, whatever I am dictating it, please hear carefully and note it down on your GK book. See that down that clue box were given there. See the correct spelling and note it down in your GK book. So let's see the lesson 5, that is page number 9. Yes, great deserts of the world. Great deserts. Deserts are places where the annual rainfall is below 25 centimeter. They can either be hot desert or cold desert. Locate them in their correct places. Yes, here some of the desert names were given. We have to find out the locations where the great deserts are found, where they are located. So first one is Atacama Desert. It is located in South America. Then the second one is Arunta Desert. It is located in Australia. Then third one, Australian Desert. Australian Desert. It is located in Australia. Yes, fourth one, Great Sandy Desert. It is also located in Australia. Then fifth one, Great Victoria Desert. Great Victoria Desert is also located in Australia. Then the sixth one, Gobi Desert. Gobi Desert, it is found in Mongolia. Mongolia. Yes, Mongolia. Mongolia. Yes, then the next one, that is seventh one, Cold Desert. Yes, cold desert, it is found in Antarctica and Arctic Circle. Then the next one is Kalahari Desert. Yes, it is found in Botswana in Africa. Then the next one is Karakum Desert. Karakum Desert, it is found in southwest Turkestan. Yes, then next one, Kazilkum Desert. Kazilkum Desert, it is located in central Turkestan. Then the next one is Libyan Desert. Libyan Desert, it is located in North Africa. Then next one is Nubian Desert. Nubian Desert, it is also located in North Africa. Then next one is Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is also located in North Africa. Then next one is Sonoran Desert. Sonoran Desert is located in North America. Then Syrian Desert. Syrian Desert, it is located in Southwest Asia. Then the next one is Rub Al Khali Desert. Rub Al Khali Desert, it is located in Saudi Arabia. Then the next one is Takla Makan Desert. It is located in China. And the last one is a Thar Desert. Thar Desert, it is found in northwest India. Yes, so these are the various deserts. It is found in a particular places. Now children, see the clue box. In the clue box, the names are given there. From that you see the correct spelling and note it down. Now we will move to the next page or lesson 6. Okay, and in that we will learn about the mountain. Yes, what are the various top mountain of the world? So in that also we will find the location where these mountains are located. Here their height also given there. So first one, Mount Everest. Mount Everest, its height is 8,848 and it is located in Nepal, Tibet. Then the second one, Mount Godwin Austen. Its height is 8,611 and it is found in India. Yes, third one, Mount Kachunga. Its height is 8,598 and it is found in Nepal, India. Yes, then the next one, fourth one is Mount Dhaulagiri. Yes, its height is 8,172 and it is located in Nepal. Then fifth one, Mount Tirich-Mid. Its height is 7,700 and it is located in Pakistan. Then sixth one, Mount Minyakonka. Its height is 7,590 and it is found in China. Then seventh one, Mount Gurla Mandata. Its height is 7,721. It is found in Tibet Autonomous Region of China. Then eighth one, Mount Aconcagua. Yes, Aconcagua. Yes, Aconcagua. Its height is 6,960 and it is located in Argentina. Then the next one, ninth one, Mount McKinley. McKinley, its height is 6,194. It is found in USA. Yes, 10th one, Mount Cotopaxi. Yes, Cotopaxi. Its height is 5,897 and where it is located? Ecuador. Ecuador. Then 11th one, Mount Kilimanjaro. Yes, its height is 5,895 and it is located in Tanzania. Then 12th one, Mount Elbrus. Its height is 5,642. It is located in Russia. Then 13th one is Mount Makalu. Yes, Mount Makalu, its height is 5,641 and it is found in Nepal, China. Then the 14th one, Mount Vinson Massif. Its height is 4,897 and it is located in Antarctica. Yes, 15th one, Mount Kosciuszko. Yes, Kosciuszko. What is that? Once again I am pronouncing it. Kosciuszko. Kosciuszko. Its height is 2,228 and it is found in Australia. Kosciuszko, it is found in Australia. So this is about the mountain peaks. Now we will move to the next about the dinosaurs. Yes, what is a dinosaurs? Dinosaurs were a group of extinct reptiles that lived between 65 and 200 million years ago. Changes in the climatic condition pushed them to the extinction. Yes, they never coexisted with the humans since humans' life began 6 million years ago. So here that important dinosaurs names were given there. Okay, so we have to find out the certain names. What are that in the clue box that certain names were given, dinosaurs names were given. So we have to find out and we have to fill it. So let us see that the tallest dinosaur is the long-necked. Okay, and that is stood 14 height. So what is that? First one, Giraffean. Yes, Giraffean. Giraffetian branchi of the Brachiosaurus group. The second one, the longest dinosaurs is the dinosaurs is Amphicoelius fragilismus. See the clue box and write down the correct spelling. Then third one, dash was the brainiest dinosaur. Yes, answer is Troodon. Troodon. Then the fourth one, the least brainy armored dinosaur was 10-meter long with a bony plates on its back and spikes on its tail. Its brain weight only 60 grams. So answer is Stegosaurus. Then the fifth one, dash was a top predator. It preyed on other animals but was never killed or eaten by other animals. So your answer is Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus was the top predators. It preyed on other animals but never killed or eaten by other animals. Then the sixth one, the heaviest dinosaurs. Yes, Brachiosaurus weighted about 80 tons. So heaviest dinosaurs was Branchio, Branchiosaurus. Yes, down that clue box were given there. See the correct spelling from there and note it down. Yes, seventh one. Dash was a species of Ornithomimus dinosaurs. So your answer is Dromaeosaurus was the species of Ornithomimus dinosaurs. Yes, then the eighth one, dash were duck-billed and web-footed. They had 1,000 cheek teeth and a bony crest like helmet on their head. Answer is Corythosaurus. Then the ninth one, dash was the first of the armored dinosaurs. It was about 3.5 meters long with about 50 bony plates on its back. Yes, answer is Scledosaurus. Then 10th one, dash were plant-eating dinosaurs with a powerful solid bone at the end of their tails, which could be used as weapons for defense. Answer is Ankylosaurus. What is that? Ankylosaurus were a plant-eating dinosaurs with a powerful solid bone at the end of their tails, which could be used as a weapon for its defense. So here we had learned about the 10 dinosaurs name. Okay, so children, I am showing you here the pictures of the dinosaurs. See here the pictures of the various dinosaurs. And the clue box, in the clue box, the name is given there. Please see the clue box and write down the correct spelling from there. Okay, so whatever I had dictated you children, please note it down on your GK book and keeps on learning. Okay, thank you.